Hi everyone, I'm Matthew. I'm a core developer at Streamr, and in this video we're going to walk through how to buy a product on the Streamr marketplace. So there's an important prerequisite step to cover before we get started, and that is that you need a browser with a Web3 wallet that contains some Ether and some data cryptocurrency. And if you need help with those steps, please consult our docs at streamr.com/docs. Okay, let's dive in. So the first thing I'll do is I'll choose this sign in with Ethereum option. And it's asking me to sign a request, and I will do that. And this brings us into the core app stream listing page. So you could have also signed in with email, and if you did, there's an important step that we need to cover first before we can make transactions on the marketplace. So you'll need to go to the profile page and head to the Ethereum account section. And because I signed in with Ethereum, my Streamr account is already linked to my Ethereum identity, but you'll need to click Add New Address and follow the prompts on MetaMask to make that connection so that your purchases are tied to your Ethereum identity as well as your Streamr account. That's really important. So I'll hit save and exit, and I'm going to navigate to the marketplace now. I can see all the products that I can buy. I'm interested in crypto. I'm a crypto trader, so I'm going to change the category to crypto. And there's this fire hose product that I'm interested in, and I'm going to check it out. And this is the product page, and the product is a collection of real-time data streams. And you can see the streams here that I would be purchasing a time subscription for. So this all looks good, and I am interested in buying this. So I'm going to click purchase. First thing I'm asked is how long I want the data product for. 1 week, or sorry, 1 hour is fine for me. So I'm going to hit next. I'm going to set the allowance, and this is purely just to prevent me from overspending. I set the allowance to 2 data, and the product costs 2 data. So that's all fine. I finally click pay, and I confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Great. So it's telling me now that it's writing to the blockchain, and this usually takes anywhere between a few seconds to a few minutes. So I'm going to pause now and come back shortly. Great. It looks like our transaction has completed. So yes, so we can see now the data product is active, and we can check out the data hopefully. So I've clicked view live data, and wow, that's certainly a fire hose. That's a lot of real-time data flowing through. I can kind of have a quick browse of the data here. I can also go into the core navigation, into purchases, see that the product is indeed active. In my purchases section, I can go to my streams listing, and I can see that the streams have been added into my stream listing automatically, and I'll be able to access it in the canvases section of the core app. So great, thanks for watching. We've successfully bought a product on the marketplace, and we're ready to do all sorts of stuff with it now. Great, thanks.